Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today's topic is serialization and deserialization. This is very important while working with API testing. Why? Because we need to convert data into the byte. We need to provide input for the body so that we need to verify the outcome of the response of the API. So that's why it is used. So what is serialization? Serialization is nothing but object converting uh, into the from object to we are converting into can be transported. So it's byte is a way we can transport, and deserialization is converting a series of byte into a object. It is known as deserialization. So let's see how can we serialize and deserialize. First we need to create any body for the any call. So uh, right now I'm using my local and I mocked few services that whenever I'm providing this post call with some input, it will give me as this response. So we will see how to serialize it. So for the serialization we need to create our first in a model, and in models of people call it as Bojo classes. So we will use this color. You can name it as per your requirement. So I named this color, and right now in first go with, so we have two keys. Call name as string color, second one is key is value. So we'll write string value. Previously in past people are selecting, writing means right now you can see generate, setter and getter. So we need both. We will select okay, and it will write like this way. Oh, don't look at this we'll see. So this is a way things will be written in past, but nowadays Lambok is used. So in my poem.xml I added the Lambok dependency. You can see Lambok 1.8.30 version is used. So you can search for the dependencies and use it. And now no need to write too much things for writing getter and setters. Either if you want to use separate getter setter, you can use this one and data will work. So it will provide you both. We also need a builder to build. So now it is clone is very, because of using Lambok the code is very clean. Now you can see you have this thing and you added the annotation. Let's go ahead. Here we will what we will do, we need to create a color builder. Color, this is which we added color, color builder. So from where which this annotation data came, it is coming from the builder annotation. Okay, here what we need to provide color, and we will provide anyone green. Okay, let's give red. Dot value anything. We will give anyone. Right now just for the demo purpose I am showing, because right now the API which we are hitting, it's mocked. So create product, we take this, and this is API we need to call, and it is type post. So here we go ahead with given dot, okay, let me close the annotation, given dot log for the demo purpose, then when dot post dot then dot log all, and here we will provide the URL. We can either provide here like this way, or we can say RestAssured dot place URL value. Okay, so we will see from the logs. Don't worry, we are not some codes. Okay, let's do one thing. This is my local machine things. In past we use those things, don't worry. So here you can see the serialization, which is our topic. You can see we are providing the body. So with the help of serialization, you can create this type. If it's internally calling other, you can create another method and calling, just like if we have a like color code and it is dependent, and we need to provide color code and it get changed. So here we need to update those things. So now color code, we need to provide color code is equal to builder, again color code builder, and in color code we have color, again it's a demo, so we'll pass value as a test so that we separate it. Color value, test value, and then color code will goes to here because we changed this dot color code. And once we read, now you can see and request. Why it is not showing? It is showing, but given log or while log on all. Oh. Sorry, we didn't pass this value. Sorry for that. Post call given when body color. Sorry for that. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this one. Sorry. Yeah, here you can see it can be changed, and in the previous example just reverted it to show values, and here we don't need this now, and in place of color we are using value because I changed it to reverted it to string and name as some red value and C. Red value will came. So this is a serialization of the data. So we are getting any object into the byte form. So